We wanted to provide a quick video about costs after high school. Based on your level of education, experience, training, your average starting salary across the US is $51,000. This is an average because it could be lower or higher depending on your job or career path. First and foremost, federal and state governments take about 25 to 30% in taxes. This equates to $12,750, leaving you with a remainder. Dividing that per month is almost $3,200. In order to live, you need to pay for these items monthly. Some of the basic costs. A pretty good size apartment or a very modest house, like a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, is around $750 per month. Food costs, and this is for the grocery store, not specifically Grubhub, Uber Eats, or any other outside restaurant dining, is about $100 per week. This is on the high end if you are living alone. The cell phone costs is about $65. That is just for a pretty basic plan and a phone included. Cable and internet would be around $65 as well. Clothing costs. You will need clothing for your job. It may be career specific. Also, many of you like to purchase expensive shoes. We see them in school all the time. So we're going to say $150 per month because it could go up, could go down per month. College loans. If you don't have any, this would be $0. However, if you do attend any kind of school or university, you would take whatever the 4-year or 2-year, if you went for an associate's degree, cost is and divide it by 180. This would give you a life term loan of 15 years. So that would mean you're paying over a 15-year span. We're going to put that at $500. The going out line item would be any restaurants you're going to attend, movies, sporting events. We're going to put that at $300 per month. For our car, a lease, which is a way to have a car, but you have no equity, so you do not own that car. The dealership continues to own that. If you want to purchase the car, it is more expensive, but you have equity. So we're going to say that you are purchasing the car, and we're going to go with something like a Toyota Corolla or Nissan Altima. And we're going to say that loan is about $400 per month. Gas will in turn be cheaper because you have a 4-cylinder car that is a little bit more efficient. So we're going to put that at $100 per month. Now, insurance. In order to drive your car, you need to have insurance. Also, you have possessions that you will have in your rental property or house that also need to be insured. Renter's insurance is much cheaper than car insurance, and as a new driver, car insurance will be a little bit more expensive. So we're going to put that at $100 a month. As you can see, the price in the final line has been reduced each time we've entered a monthly cost. So you can easily use a formula like this to figure out what kind of savings and investments you would have when you look at different professions.